All right, welcome back all my crypto enthusiasts to this crypto and blockchain updates. I'm Santosh Surendran, Director Analytics, Balamont Analytica Incorporated. Crypto data shown in this video is based on Monday, 8th November 2021. Mobile phone viewers try to view this video in landscape mode for better data readability. We select only currencies with a market cap that has an impact on the market. Let's start the update with the highlights of the day. Price statistic top 3 currencies, top gainer and loser, Indian crypto news. Let's proceed with the first session of this update, price statistics top 3 currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin are the top currencies. Let's see the detailed statistic. Prices: Bitcoin 62,168.69 US dollars, Ethereum 4,603.07 US dollars, Binance 661.97 US dollars. Market dominance: Bitcoin 42.31%, Ethereum 19.69%, Binance 3.98%. Market cap: Bitcoin 1.17 trillion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's market cap of 2.490 trillion US dollars. Ethereum 543.94 billion US dollars. Binance 110.45 billion US dollars. Trading volume: Bitcoin 24.85 billion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's trading volume of 150.74 million US dollars. Ethereum 13.91 billion US dollars. Binance 3.07 billion US dollars. Let's proceed to the next session of the update, top gainer and loser. Top gainer: Avalanche is the top gainer with a 11.92% increase in the previous day. Price 85.09 US dollars. Market dominance 0.67%. Top loser: Shiba Inu is the top loser with a 2.22% decrease in the previous day. Price 0.00005759 US dollars. Market dominance 1.11%. Let's proceed to the last session of this update, Indian crypto news. As per the Economic Times report on 1st November 2021, many Indian expats turn to crypto to remit money. Many Indians work in the Middle East countries, increasingly using cryptocurrencies to remit money to their families in India. These remittances help them in saving transfer commissions charged by transfer companies and other middlemen. Indian expats prefer Bitcoin for remittances, but its transaction costs are rising. Currencies like Ripple and Dash are the good replacements for expats due to sustainability and lower fees. My opinion on this news: Indian government is planning to define cryptocurrencies in the new draft bill and will treat this for taxation as like an asset or commodity. Disclaimer: read full disclaimer document carefully before making investment decisions. Courtesy data coinmarketcap.com and finance.yahoo.com. Video footages ydc.com. Follow Balamont Analytica Incorporated for updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's all in this update. Have a great time ahead.